Hello.
Hello, can you hear me?
Yes, I can.
Hello?
Hello. Hello.
Yeah, can you hear me?
Yes, I can. I can hear you.
Yeah, hi Kelly. How are you doing today?
I'm okay. How are you?
I'm also good. Thank you for asking. Basically, I'm recently reading your message. You need a multi-vendor functionality in your website. You already installing a theme and template as well.
Yes,
Okay, so just a moment. Let me open. This is a IBD theme, right?
it is. Yeah, theme forest.
Okay, no problem. So you just only need a multi-vendor functionality. That's all. So because the auction and maybe the product listing, this all already uh, has been done on the admin side.
I mean, there's a lot of function there. There's a lot of functions that I want to add, or at least make sure is available
Okay.
in the template. I'm new to the whole WordPress thing. I built websites in Wix and all that, but it just doesn't have what I need it to do. So this is my first
Okay.
ad
So
adventure
basically,
here.
recently this is the only the templates of the website. Okay, like user interface, not completely the functional, like user register and login and multi-vendor functionality as a vendor and as a login as a customer. I see here is the sign in button under the theme of the ibit, but this button is not working because this just only the template of the theme
Right.
provided. Okay, so that is possible, which is you need the multi-vendor functionality, also the customer login page. So this is all is possible in WordPress. Let me one more thing. This is WordPress.org hosting, or this is the WordPress.com hosting.
.com hosting.
Oh, okay. Basically, I tell you first, the WordPress.com may be some many restrictions under the WordPress because we need some additional plugins to integrate in your website. Then you can see the multi-vendor system in your website. Firstly, we need a multi-vendor auction plugin, which is maybe just a moment. I'll tell you the amount of the plugin. Give me a moment. Okay, the one is WCFM is the most of the famous plugin, which is totally free, but most of the features we required, which is the premium package of the WCFM. So we use firstly free version, so you can easily see which part you view on the vendor side, like add product, added product, and also add the auction and add the categories and add the attribute and price as well, and also add the more features. Are you
Okay.
there?
Yeah. 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 Let
So
me let me let me read you what my workflow is and see. I understand you're talking about WCFM. I don't know the difference between WCFM and DOCAN.
yes,
Um,
both of the same, both of the similar, Docan and WCFM.
right. Um, but so I want to have the website look sort of like what's already there in the template. That's why I chose that template. But a seller will come to the website. They must register on the website to list an auction item.
Okay.
Registration requires them to enter their credit card information. There's
Hmm.
no charge to register. A
Okay.
seller can list an item or items for the auction on the site for free with a coupon. So I want, like, that website has that iBid pop-up thing there for a month or so. I want that to pop up to give vendors a code that will not charge them to list any kind of items,
Makes sense.
at first. If they don't have the code, then they pay a 5% listing fee on
Okay,
all
so
of the items at the time that they sell it.
all right. So basically, you
Uh,
want a basic feature which is when the vendor can register on your platform, so you can charge the specific fees like 10% to 20% if they can sell the product on the your platform.
right.
Okay, so this is possible under the WCFM and Dokan, both of the plugin, this will be worked. And also the one of the add-on we need for the auction, maybe this theme, maybe this plugin is already installed, maybe. iBid theme. So if this plugin will be installed, so that's good. Otherwise, I can find the more better plugin for the auction bidding. So we can both of the integrate the plugin. One is the WCFM or the Dukan, or the second one is auction for the auction one. So
Okay.
when we adding on your platform, so they can uh, enable the option on the front end side of the vendor dashboard. So vendor can easily add the auction by selecting the date and time, and they can also add the pricing. Then if product can be sell on the platform, so you can charge the 10 to 20% your percentage of the platform fee, and then vendor can receive the amount after your approval. So the credit card information which is you telling me, so you can also get the information for the seller side, which is vendor. You can receive the all information like credit card, first name, last name, email, and more information, store information as well.
Mhm.
So this is all which is you needed. Also, the one of the best features and for these for sailor purpose under WCFM and Dogan both have option available like live chat and also the delivery option if you need, because maybe this electronic item your vendor can deliver it as well, all or you can provide shipping.
Right. So I don't want to get into the shipping part
Hmm.
because I just want to be the website and the message board and all of that. I don't want the seller to see the buyer's personal information. I don't want the buyer to see the seller's personal information and cut me out of the
The,
middle
the,
until after the sale is done. And then after that, they can work on their own shipping,
okay, makes
because
sense.
with this type of equipment, a lot of times it's sitting in the seller's warehouse, and they have to, whatever address that warehouse is may not be the same address as the seller's selling address on the website.
Okay, so you enabling your shipping system, right? You don't want a seller can ship on the customer address. Are you there?
Well, yeah, I, I'm afraid if I get into that market,
Okay.
um, I mean, we're talking about it because it's medical equipment, right? It's X-rays, X-ray machines, and stuff like that.
Yes, I
Um,
see. This is the all of these dummy template is the medical equipments like analytic tools and more something like that. This platform
yeah,
maybe provide a medical solutions of the customers.
I mean, if there's is there money to be made by me on the shipping part? I
Hmm.
is or what's the advantage of offering shipping on the website versus them just talking to each other after the sale?
Can you repeating again your question?
Yeah, I'm sorry. If I do add the shipping in there,
Hmm.
is there profit for me, or is it just going to be between the seller and the buyer?
Basically, if you providing a shipping, so firstly you want to coordinate with your vendor, which is the seller on your platform. Firstly, you contact your seller because you adding your shipping method. So you charging according to your requirement. Like if you charge 20 kilometer and area, $20 or $10, so you can ask with the seller, I'm charging some this amount, and they can firstly give you the order, your rider, then your rider can deliver your order, and the shipping cost will be get you, not the seller. Because uh, if you enabling the USPS maybe, or can you tell me your country? United States.
The It's in the United States, yeah.
Yes, so the United States, maybe most of the common shipping method like USPS and US and FedEx as well. So you can contact him and you can register first. Then they can provide APIs keys. Then we can integrate on your website. Then you don't need the hustle. After the shipping method integrate, so your seller can uh, deliver on maybe the USPS office. So USPS maybe the deliver on your customer, right?
Yeah, for smaller items, yeah, I guess we could do that. I also need an option
Uh,
to allow them to work out the shipping on
okay,
their own.
makes sense, makes sense. So we can firstly we I can show you the user interface, which is the vendor registration process and the adding product process and auction timing adding process and shipping method option enabling, or also the percentage, which is the most important of the part, the percentage. So you can easily adding the percentage in your platform. Like if you want to charge 10%, so you can add the 10%. If the product amount is like $200, so you can charge easily when when the product will be sale on your platform, so you can easily charge the like 20% of the $200. So this process will be automatically charged. Firstly, you can receive the customer payment. Then after that, you can, when the seller can send the request for the withdrawal, so you can firstly approve, then you can send the payment.
Okay.
So this is
There's no automation for that.
firstly, this is the way, because the seller can provide you the email of the PayPal maybe, and also the credit card information. So once you get that, so you can easily transfer the payment.
Okay. So
So
I would deduct my percentage before I send the payment. Is there a way to
basically,
automate
firstly, I
that?
tell you, I'm sorry.
No,
Uh,
go ahead. I'm
okay,
new to all of this, so
sorry. Basically, firstly, I tell you, we can set the amount of the percentage of each orders. So you can easily, no need to add day by day percentage of the each product. We can set the one amount of the all of the products. So like we can set 10%. So each of the sellers can sell the product. Then you can receive the amount of the all of the products like 10%, 20%. So I'm setting the function using the WordPress. So this is the doable part.
Okay.
And if you have any question about the functionality, so let me know. You can also enabling the couponing system and also enabling the percentage if the customer first time they log in, so you can get the discount like 10 to 15%, and more functionality also I can add on your platform if you want. But the basic you want the multi-vendor system and the all of the payment gateway integrations and how the process of the multi-vendor. So I can overall process I tell you in the video tutorial, and also once the functionality will be done I can show you first, then after that I will teach you how you can do that and how the seller can do that, how seller can register, how seller can process the account, how you can approve the seller account, and after approval they can listing the products and they can listing the auctions as well.
Okay.
So let me know.
I kind of want to automate the seller stuff, the registration. And I'll tell you why. I live in the Philippines, which is 13 hours different than most of the sellers. So when a seller registers, I want them to be able to start posting things on the auction site immediately.
Okay.
As long as they put in a credit card
Hmm.
that we won't charge, but as long as they put information in there.
Okay, so the seller part, which is you need the automatically registration, right?
Right.
So both of the part is available in WordPress, like automatically registration and the manually registration. So if the seller is the spammer, right? So how you know this is the spammer or just this is the correct person which is the selling product on your platform?
Yeah, I
Make
don't
sense?
know.
So
Yeah, it does.
that is the biggest reason. So the admin approval is most important part. But if you don't want, so I can disable this function and adding the automatically registration of the user. Then they can posting the product and you can see the all information of the user and also the product information, which product they can sell on your platform.
Okay, well, I guess maybe I need to look at both options, but um, what do I need to look for then if it's a spammer? I mean, I guess how do I verify that a seller is legit?
Basically you need a assistant, or you need, if you can, so you can do it. If you have an assistant, so you can tell him to, they can manage the all data, they can verify the all seller, and after the seller will be verified, so you can proceed the all information and approve the account, then they can register they can register. After the register they can sell the product. Give me a moment. I can share you the one platform which is the custom development site phase.
Okay.
You do you know about the Daraz?
No.
Basically, Daraz is the platform which is providing a multi-vendor solution, and also this is the multi-vendor website. So they when the seller can come on here, they can register. Then Daraz can proceed the registration. After approval, seller can uh, submit the product as well and sell the product. I
Okay.
can share you the link. You can see that first.
Okay.
Give me a moment. Uh, just a moment, please. Yeah, this one is chat. Please take a look. Basically, this website is built in on the custom development. custom language like PHP, JavaScript, and Python as well, and Ruby. So many languages using in this platform. So this is the multi-vendor website. Give me a moment. I
Okay.
can show you the layout of the website. This is the, yes. Sorry, I am sending you the wrong domain. This one. Also, the previous link, you can see the bottom of the page, sell with us and shop with us. So both of the option is available in this platform. This is the over country biggest website. So that's why I'm showing you uh,
Oh,
the
okay.
similar functionality in the RAS, which is you required. But uh, in WordPress, under WordPress, many restrictions, and also you already using the WordPress.com version. So if the WordPress they can not providing many sorry, they can not if they can restrict me, so we can proceed this website to wordpress.org version. So both of the different way. First, wordpress.org is the open source platform, and wordpress.com is the website which is you hosted your website and run your business. Both of the same basically.
Okay.
So let me know. So when we start, so we can start do it
Look,
as soon as if you want.
so what is what's the estimate for this,
Okay, so
for doing all of
basically
this functionality?
overall functionality, I firstly tell you the multi-vendor features and the admin percentage, shipping method, e-commerce, and also e-commerce already integrated, and auctions and the payment processing.
Okay, I
So
have a couple of other functionalities though that I would like.
basically you write the document and send me so I can easily read out firstly, then I can tell you the estimation, the overall, and get you the time, how I can deliver you, how can I delay, how we can deliver you in the deadline.
Okay, where can I send it to? I've already made a document.
Sure, no problem. I can waiting, and thank you so much for joining the meeting. And if you have any question about the more functionality, so you can discuss.
Do you have an email address I can send this document to you?
Yeah, sure. I can say I can send you on WhatsApp.
Okay, well, I mean, I have the document on my computer and I'm talking to you on my phone,
No
so
problem. I can share you with my email so you can easily send me
okay.
and I can read out the overall functionality. Okay, so basically I tell you, if you want this functionality, which is we discuss on the Zoom meeting, so maybe the cost will be 700 to 600. Okay. So if the functionality will be extendable, so we need a custom code in your platform. So maybe the estimation will be extend. So if this functionality is the simple, so the charges will be the same, like 700. Under the 600, I can do that. The all of the feature which is you need, you tell me on the meeting.
Okay.
And
That's
also,
honestly, that's a lot higher than
so
other quotes I've gotten.
basically, if your budget is low, so you don't worry about it. You can tell me, don't worry, I can manage the under your budget if your budget is low. Okay, my friend.
Yeah, okay.
So that's good. Nice to meet you. You can you can tell me on the WhatsApp and also the Fiverr your last budget, so I can do that. No problem, bro. Because
Okay,
my first priority is my customer satisfaction. So this is the basic my rule. So money not matter. Firstly, need your functionality will be done. Then uh, if you good, if you satisfied with my work, so I need a trusty pilot review and also the Fiverr review as well.
gotcha. Okay,
Thank you so much, man, for joining the
all
meeting,
right.
man.
Thank
Thank you.
you.
Bye.
All right, bye.